Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to switch back into S mode, and also if it doesn't have it on there, then I'll show you how to switch it back in a not really S mode, but a pretty good mode. Anyway, to switch back in S mode, we need to go to update and security. Go to recovery and press more recovery options and press learn how to start afresh clean with a clean installation of Windows. Press that and it'll give you a whole heap of instructions. So yeah, that's pretty good if you want to get back into Windows S mode. There's another one. If you don't want to be in Windows S mode and you don't want to lose all your files and that, then go here. It's just like S mode, but not really. Press apps, and then it says choose where to get app from. Installing apps only from Microsoft Store helps protect your device. So this automatically protects your device and stuff. So you can you can choose from 4 options. Yep. So you can so these options come in good hand because if you choose, say if I picked anywhere, that would mean I could get any apps from any place without telling me it had a virus in it. So recommended is the Microsoft Store only, so that's what I've got. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you would like if you really like to reset your laptop, then go to my second to last video, I think, and you will find it. So it's right before so 2 videos before this, and that's where it should be. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. In the next one, I might be able to show you guys how you can screen record too. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Peace.